Welcome to Cobra Products How to Use a Drain Cleaning Bladder video. In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use a bladder to unclog a drain. To start this drain cleaning project, we'll need a properly sized bladder, a garden hose with adequate length to reach the problem drain, and potentially an adapter to attach your garden hose to your faucet. Cobra Products offers 3 bladder sizes: small, medium, and large. The small bladder is for drains 1 inch to 2 inch in diameter. The medium bladder is for drains 1.5 inch to 3 inch in diameter. And the large bladder is used for 4 inch to 6 inch drains. Our utility sink has a 1.25 inch drain, so we'll use a small bladder. We're going to first attach our garden hose to a nearby cold water faucet. This may be the kitchen or utility tub faucet or outdoor garden spigot. We're going to use our kitchen faucet as it's closest to our utility tub. We've installed a garden hose adapter to attach our hose to the faucet. You will need to have 2 people working together to safely use a bladder. Use one person to control the water flow and the other to clear the clog. Marlene is going to monitor the water flow while I move to the bathroom to unclog the drain. Insert the bladder into the drain until you reach the clog. The bladder must insert a minimum of 6 inches. For clogs that are shallower than 6 inches, use a zip-it tool to unclog your drain. Make sure Marlene doesn't turn on the water until you have completely inserted the bladder into the drain and you have reached the clog. For double-bowl kitchen sinks, make sure that the bladder clears the point where the 2 drains intersect. For bathtubs, insert the bladder through the overflow. Slowly turn on the cold water to full pressure. As water fills the bladder, the device expands to fit snugly against the wall of the drain pipe. Once the bladder is completely filled, the accumulated water pressure is forced out of the bladder against the clog. This sudden pressure displacement works to dislodge the debris and clear the drain. When the clog clears, make sure to turn the water off before removing the bladder from the drain. Rinse the bladder thoroughly before storing. With your free-running drain, your project is complete.